All right, welcome back, everybody. Yeah, can we get a white balance here? Looking at our Bowman's Corner, snow beginning to move in through a lot of the area up on McDonald Pass. Doesn't look so bad right now, but some good snow coming through. And there are the advisories and the warnings out here. Most of Montana is under a winter weather advisory for snow. Generally 1 to 4 inches in the plains, 1 to 3 inches into the valleys, and the mountains as much as 8 inches of snow. And the snow's come down at a pretty good clip here, especially right in between Great Falls and the capital. Some good snow up northeast Montana as well. But look at this line of snow. This really is the front that is switching around the wind direction, and the temperatures will begin to drop here. But some good snow falling out here around Augusta, up through Choteau, through around Dutton, over through Fairfield, Fort Shaw, Cascade just got blasted with some snow. You can see on the north side of Great Falls, it's a little lighter. Right in town and then point south, we've got some heavier snow coming through. There's this front coming right through Wolf Creek right now. That canyon is going to be very, very messy. We'll take a look at that coming up in one of the later checks of weather here in our hour-long newscast. But some snow about ready to move into the Helena Valley. It's been snowing and squalling around town here, but that front will be dropping through over the course of probably the next half hour to 45 minutes. I'll be tracking that here in our newscast. Some heavy snow out there around Monarch and Nyhart, Geyser, and on the west side of Lewistown. Here's some pretty good snow up around Malta, Whitewater, over through Hinsdale and Glasgow, coming down from the north. Now, looking at our sky cam, we've had some snow showers come through, briefly coming down fairly heavy. Temperatures got up into the 30s in the capital today. Now we're sitting at the freezing point, and yeah, reduced visibility in Great Falls with the snow. 29 degrees. It also was above freezing earlier, and the temperatures are dropping. So that wet kind of road may get a little slick. 15 degrees in Cut Bank. There's some of the colder air. All of these numbers, 20s and 30s, will be dropping into the single digits and the teens here tonight. So very, very cold air coming back through. Snow will likely continue throughout the evening and through a lot of the night here. Here we are, 2:30 in the morning, and still snow across the High Line, but it begins to taper off from north to south through the morning hours. And I do believe we'll see some sunshine through a lot of at least the northern half of the state by Thursday afternoon. And then into Friday, no rest for the weary, because another round of snow comes through with wind around the capital, really right on the Continental Divide and west of the Divide. So more snow tonight, tomorrow night, into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Wait until you see the 7-day forecast. But look at these numbers. So it's in the 20s and the 30s right now, single digits to near zero for a lot of the High Line, even a few places. Rudyard getting down below zero. Opine, Turner getting below zero as well. Snowy night tonight around Lewistown. Look at Nyhart, 1 below. And around the capital, we're heading down likely into the single digits. Great Divide, a little chilly tomorrow for all those powder hounds. And here's the forecast for tomorrow. Maybe a few flurries in the morning across the High Line, but increasing sun late morning into the afternoon. Temperatures not increasing that much, generally staying in the single digits. Some snow in the morning for Lewistown over through the capital here, but clearing by the afternoon. Here's the 7-day forecast. Teens tomorrow, that's it. Snow in the morning, snow and wind moving in on Friday. Traveling this weekend, it's President's Day weekend. This will be difficult because there will be snow and wind just about every single day. Saturday's a very snowy day. Moderate to heavy snow for a lot of the state. Snow into Sunday. Arctic air coming back in, and most of the state Sunday night and Monday night will be below zero. Great Falls also an extremely snowy forecast, and we'll talk more about why this is happening, the big pattern coming up a little after 5:30 here. But we are stuck in a pattern, and it doesn't look like it will change anytime soon.
That's not ideal, Curtis.
Sorry.